Hey guys, today we're going to do the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 9. So I actually bought this recently for my girlfriend for her birthday. So I'm just going to do this unboxing video. And this costs about 400 bucks US. And it's actually, roughly is about what, 550,000 Korean won. And this actually came out very recently. I believe last month, actually September 2023. And yeah, it's been a while since I've looked at an Apple Watch. I think the last one I took a look at was the Series 3, which actually came out in 2017. So it's been like 6 years before. It's been 6 years since I've looked at an Apple Watch or had an Apple Watch. So yeah, we'll do the unboxing here. This is a very basic watch box here from Apple. It's very simplistic. So yeah, we're just gonna take off this cover here. And what we get is this, which this one is the base model for the Series 9, which is the middle model actually, because there's a cheaper model called the Apple Watch SE and a more expensive one called the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But this is the middle one in the lineup. It's still, I would say, fairly expensive for what it is, but anyways, it's Apple. So this one compared to the SE has like a few more sensors, faster processor, things like that. So this is the base one though. It doesn't have the more expensive strap. It just comes with the silicone strap. So this is sport band, I believe. So this is the Starlight color, which is the color that my girlfriend likes or wants. So we're gonna take a look at this. Oh, I think we actually will open this from this way, it says. There, just take this part off. And then here is the strap right here. See, this is a nice silicone strap which can be used. It's water resistant, so you can go swimming and stuff and then use it in the wet weather. But yeah, this is a pretty nice color. Starlight color matches with the color of the watch. And yeah, this is basically how you would attach it to the Apple Watch here. The instructions, touching the band, press button to remove band. It's pretty easy, much simpler than a traditional watch actually to change the straps. So yeah, anyways, pretty nice strap. Of course you can upgrade Apple Watch straps to whatever you want later on. There's so many out there. And then here is the Apple Watch itself. And this is the 41 millimeters. This is actually for girls. Usually guys would get the 45 millimeters. So, and specs of this watch, by the way, it has a S9, Apple S9 processor. Of course, it runs watchOS. That's Apple's operating system for their watches. It has an always-on Retina display. That's actually different than the Apple Watch SE, which has a Retina display but it's not always on. This one's always on. Always also has brighter display, up to 2,000 nits. The SE version only has 1,000 nits, and this actually a few different differences between the SE model, right? The S9 processor, the SE version has the S8 processor, and this one's a double tap gesture, faster on device Siri, better finding for the iPhone, has more sensors, has an oxygen app sensor, which the SE doesn't have, the ECG app, which the SE doesn't have. But it does share in common with the SE is it has high and low heart rate notifications, irregular rhythm notifications, low cardio, temperature sensing, something the SE doesn't have. Also, cycle tracking with retrospective ovulation estimates, which is very important for my girlfriend who has to keep track of her ovulation dates, right? So this is something that would be very helpful for her because she has an iPhone. She does not have an Apple Watch, and she also cares a lot about her sleeping cycle and her fitness. So it'll be very helpful for her, I think. And yeah, it's 50 meters water resistant, swim proof, and has GPS. Does not have not the cellular model. The cellular model is more expensive, and you need a data plan with it. And it has up to 18 hours and 36 hours in low power mode and fast charging. So anyways, that's the specs on this. I'm glad I bought her this version because it actually has a lot of features. I think that would be missing from the SE version. Okay, so take a look, and you get this Apple Watch here, and you have the very simplistic Apple packaging here, right? So the support Apple Watch support, designed by Apple in California. This is the charging cable, which is essentially a MagSafe cable. I don't think the Apple Watch charging has changed since last time, since Series 3, but let's take a look. Yeah, so this is how it charges. So basically, charger would be USB-C on one end, and then this kind of MagSafe type of charger here that connects to the back of sticks to the back of the Apple Watch. You can also charge the Apple Watch wirelessly. I mean, it is wireless essentially, but yeah, you can also use their charging pads or whatever for it. But this is the way that Apple Watches and other smartwatches have always charged, with something that you have to attach to the back. But hey, it's USB-C, right? That says something. I guess now Apple has to change everything to USB-C. Okay, and let's take a look at the 41mm. Nice. Take a look at the Apple Watch itself. So here it is. So here's all the sensors that I talked about on the back. Here it says Apple Watch Series 9 41mm aluminum, ceramic case, ION-X glass, GPS, waterproof or water resistant 50 meters. And advanced WatchOS latest version. So yeah, you guys can see that. The bottom. I don't usually wear smartwatches, so that's why I don't really get any of the latest smartwatches or anything. I like traditional watches, but I understand smartwatches are what most people wear now, and they're very useful. And of course, this one runs the latest WatchOS, which is very useful. You can double tap this one to go to home screen. You can use the crown to scroll through stuff. This one brings up the settings, I believe. And yeah, microphone or something here. And this is where you slide in the straps. So anyways, that's it, guys. Attach the strap to it, actually. Let's do that. Okay, so yeah, this is the Starlight color, and if you adjust, let's see, you slide it in. It should be just that simple. There, just slide it in like that. Yeah, so it should be just like that, and then even though this is 41mm, I think it should fit pretty well, even on my wrist. Check it. Nope. Here we go. Yeah, so yeah, it'll fit like something like that. And this should have an always-on display when it's actually turned on. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna charge it up, and then I'll show my girlfriend how to use it. Yeah, this is the latest Apple Watch. Design-wise, hasn't really changed that much since the Series 3, but of course, technology-wise, it has been upgraded quite a bit. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Now my girlfriend's watch is set up with Snoopy. Yeah, and she can change how the Snoopy face looks. You can press it in to get the apps. Press out to get the watch face. Bring up the settings. Yeah, it looks really cute, right? Yeah, really cute. Yeah, you can change other watch faces. So that's it.